Welcome to Kanika Kids TV. A for ant.
A for ant.
B for boy.
B for boy.
C for car.
C for car.
D for duck.
D for duck.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for finger.
F for finger.
G for goat.
G for dot.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
J for jug.
J for jug.
K for king.
K for king.
L for lizard.
L for lizard.
M for mouth.
M for mouth.
N for nest.
N for nuts.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for pigeon.
P for pigeon.
Q for quill.
Q for quail.
R for rose.
I for rose.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for telephone.
T for telephone.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for van.
V for van.
W for washing machine.
W for washing machine.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yacht.
Y for yacht.
Z for jeep.
Z for chip.